Hello guys, this is Neil Gonzalez. Right now it's Saturday and now it's starting to snow. You can see it's snowing. This is really crazy because now it covered more than like it did, but the sad part is it didn't do that much things. Take a closer look for you. It's snowing. Look what it's doing. Now this is one of the most strongest cold front typhoon that we ever have. It starts to get windy. This is a blizzard today. We're in the upper right corner, so that means it will be snowing more. Neil, where's Neil? Neil, come over here. What? Look. Oh shoot! Close the window. What? Close the window. What do you mean close the window? It's cold. I know. It's starting to snow. You can see. It's a major snow. It's a lot of snow. This is going to be 4 to 8 inches of snow, and it's already 4 to 8 inches of snow. Now it's more worse because super cold front typhoon is now stronger, and now we're in back with the center. You can see. Neil, I'm getting cold. I know you are. See, it's starting to snow. "1 p.m. it's gonna get worse because it will be having heavier snow. And Tuesday it was snowing on Tuesday, and then after that, oh yeah, it was snowing on Tuesday. I remember that. Yeah, look at these people. They're cold. You can see there's a lot of snow. This will be a lot of ice. Now it's worse because now we're in the center. And yeah. You see it's snowing a lot. It's extremely cold because I have my sweater on. It's extremely cold. Oh my god, it's like snowing. That was not that much snow though. Yeah, but Neil, it was snowing more. You know what I'm saying? They said Saturday is gonna snow again. Then more deeply in the afternoon, it's gonna turn into snow, mixed rain. So it's a super storm, cold front typhoon. So right now we're in the center, and there's another low pressure building up. Yeah. I know what you're saying. See, look at it doing, snowing a lot. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe more on our chase storming. And yeah, we're gonna close the window because it's extremely cold outside. And yeah, hope you guys liked this video. And bye.